Here you go. Here's the outlet that's bad. I showed you earlier what it was. But I'm going to use these ones today. These are wagos. I have 3 holes here. I got 1, 2, and then I'm going to do a pigtail with the 3rd hole here. I'm going to show you how to use it. It's a little bit simpler to use. I don't like using them too much because they're kind of expensive. And then it's just a stab block like these. Since it's a stab block, all you do is stab it. I think in another 10, 15, 20 years, it's going to get loose again. And that's what I believe. I don't know for a fact because these are only been out for a few years. And that's why I don't really want to use them. But I'm going to use them because it's quick, simple. They're made to be used this way. And I'll show you how to do it. And since I don't have my tools, I left my tools in the school. So now I'm kind of like, I messed up. I don't like that. This is a live circuit here. I'm gonna work on a live circuit real quick. So I took these out. I'm gonna bring this to the class to show you guys how they look and how they can mess up very easy. These are live wires right here, my neutrals, my ground here. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you. Here's my neutral. It's okay, hot. There goes the nice and neat. I put these 2 in there. Make sure these are good. Looks like it's a little long. There it is. It's a done deal. Show the same. This is called a pigtail. Uh-oh. It's a little spark in there because they're touching. But this is a hot circuit. So I'm going to clean these off a little bit. Not too shabby. You see a little how it comes in there all the way. And all the way. Here we go. You hear that noise back there? Everything's turning on right now, so it has some kind of a load on it. This is still live. Be careful. Fold them in nice and neat. This is why you need knee pads, a good set of knee pads. Okay, get all my wires together. You never want to cut them all at the same time, right? Because it's a live wire. And these ones are going to be wrapped. So I use the hole there. So it's wrapped right there. Brand new outlet on the ground. And it always turns to the right. Make sure it's nice and tight. Perfect. Then do my neutrals, the next one. Ship this enough. There.
Do you need a water or anything?
Oh, no, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Shoot that one. This is hot. So there you go. Nice little turn. Wrap it on there. I lock them both down so they don't get in the way. Nice and tight. There you go. Here's the hot side. Turn to the right. And then fold these nice and neat. All the way to the back. I love this little screwdriver. Man, it's like the best little screwdriver. Doesn't have much power, but it does a lot of work. And voila, brand new outlet. Keep these nice and straight so they go straight and down. It's flush with the plate. Plate looks nice and square. Usually does from my angle. So make sure the plate's always square. If not square, hit it over. Hit this one over. And then make sure the outlet is square and flush with the plate. And make sure this is flush. Make sure your screws are up and down, lined up and down. And you're set. Then pick up your trash. And you're all set. And what we do is double check everything. Lock is working. It means all these outlets are working. This one and that one. Can you check the outlet in the back?
Yeah, I'll check it.
And we should be set. Now, come here and close this off. But turn it off. I don't think you need to see any more of this.